Turbo Mike. Make sure you guys say hi to Greg for me too. Here I am out here doing some acoustical testing for the custom exhaust. I'm being helped by my 16-year-old son Dustin. Okay guys, talk to you soon. Okay, here we're going to do a 0 to 100 in a hard acceleration. Once the traffic clears a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put the car in 5th gear, get down to about 1,000 RPM. I'll push the accelerator to the floor, and I have sports chrono on. I'll mash the pedal to the floor right now. This time I'll do it in 6th gear. But as you can tell, there's really no perceivable resonance, no uncomfortable resonating vibration in the ears, no real loud, intrusive sound. Just really pulled through real quiet. Now I'm in 6th gear, 1,000 RPM, same thing. Accelerator all the way to the floor.